She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this looks a little different. This is the Mani by Me subscription, but this is the Express kit. I decided to do the Express kit. The only thing is it doesn't come with the polishes. It comes with the 2 plates and then like the bonus gift. I have way too many polishes. I have 3 racks full of Maniology polishes and I'm running out of room, seriously. So if I do end up liking the polishes that come in the this month's theme, then I can always pick them up later when they come out on the website. But they come in this cute little bag, and of course you still get the cards here. This is basically tie-dye inspired, and so we're going to get the 2 plates, and then it does list the 2 polishes, which is a coral cream and then a deep yellow, which is a metallic. And then the bonus gift, we get a double-ended stamper, which I'm excited about because I love their double-ended stampers. So yeah, I just decided, like I said, I just have too many polishes. So I'm going to give this a try here. And so this is an inspo card here. I love the tie-dye, so cool. You can do different colors, how they laid them out there. And when you swipe it, it'll create kind of like an ombre kind of look. So I love that, but the little bag is super, super cute. So here, here's the double-ended stamper. So excited, but we're going to take a look at this sticker. I love the sticker. I actually just got this in an order that I placed in my stamping era. I absolutely love it. So I was like, okay, do I want to look at the plates? No, I want to look at the stamper first. So we get a stamper and a scraper, and we get the large scraper. And it's got the tie-dye design, and I love it because they're not flimsy. They're a little bit thicker, and I love that for scraping. So I'm going to show you that I do have one double-ended stamper, but it's a small one. It's got the tiny, tiny little end. Yeah, it's been worn. I use this basically every set. I love it. And it's got the it's got the small one, and then it's got like a medium size. And then this one's bigger. It's got the bigger head and then like another medium size on the other side, which is perfect. I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, there was a little mark on it. I don't know. It wasn't a tear. I don't know. Just something with the silicone, when they made it. I'm not sure. But yes, I am so excited because like I said, I love that double-ended one. I use it basically every set. I love it. It picks up so good. So I'm so excited to try this one, and I love the color of it. It's real pretty. And so now we're gonna take a look at the plates. Oh, I love it. So these plates have a lot of layered. So it says A, B, A, B. So of course you pick up A first, the one color, or you could do multiple, and then you put B on top. And then I like that this one's got single images of flowers and leaves, and it's got a heart, a bunch of cool tie-dye designs. And then this is the second plate here. Again, like I said, it says AB. So each design is 2 images. So you can stamp different colors, layer. Like, I just think that's so cool. I'm so excited to play around. I've never done a tie-dye design. Even with like nail art, like drawing, I've never done tie-dye. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to get out some nail tips, figure out what base color, and figure out what kind of colors I want to do, and then I will be back to do a design. So I painted my tips here 2 coats of this gorgeous color from madamglam, and it's called Nude Negroni. It's kind of an off-white, but it's got that pearl. I just wanted that as my background color. And then I decided to go with rainbow. We're going to do rainbow tie-dye. So I have 6 colors here. We have our red, orange, and yellow. The red, I'm not sure the name of it. Orange is orange burst. So the yellow is honeydew. And then we've got our green, blue, and our violet, which this is, I believe it's called Food Fight. I don't have the sticker. And then Surf Rider is this gorgeous blue. And then Charmed is the purple. So June is also Pride Month. So I thought rainbow would be perfect. And I just want to do a rainbow tie-dye. So I'm going to get everything ready and we'll get started. So whenever you get a new stamper, you always want to wash it with water and dish soap because it is silicone and they do have oils and things. So I washed it with dish soap and water, and I just let it, let them set, down to dry. So I think for the, what would be our pinky nail, I want to do just like these single little images, which these are pretty big. I didn't realize I used like a super tiny nail. I'll have to see. Yeah, the heart's pretty big. Yeah, I wanted to go in and just do like, but I didn't realize how big they are. Maybe I'll just do some of these little splotches, but I wanted to do them with the three, you know, like different colors, like going down the rainbow. So let's see, trying to see, and you're gonna have to try to work fast, just because they do, you know, they do dry fast. So I'm gonna take this, oops, and frame here. So I'm gonna take the little bit of the red. I'll just do that, just do the two like that. And then you want to swipe to the side and then pick up. And do I have? And then I'm just gonna take off what I don't want. And then let's see. Oh yeah, you want to take this off so you're able to see what you're doing. I'm gonna go in with this one here, since we did the red and the yellow. I'm gonna do the yellow. I'm gonna get this open just so we can be ready to go. So we're gonna do yellow and then green, and then like I said, you want to swipe right to the side to get the two colors, and then take your, and so the yellow would be on the top, like that. So we have our red, and the nails get kind of crooked on there. So we have our red, orange, yellow, green, and then we're going to do our blue and violet. I'm just going to get these open. And then I'll probably just go in with this one again. Do the blue and then the purple, and then swipe to the side, and then you always want to roll it and then clean it off. And so then we have our blue. So we have our little rainbow, Roy G. Biv. So yeah, just something simple for the pinky, but you know, going in the color, the order of the rainbow. So then, since those, you know, these were too big for the pinky, I want to try them on the thumb, because I just want to do the single images, and the rest of the nails will do like the fun little, I mean, these are fun, but you know, like the full image images. But we're gonna go ahead and do the, I'm gonna do the flower first. Sorry if that light is like right there, sorry. I'm gonna do half the flower red and then the other half with the orange. And then like I said, you just scrape to the side, roll it, and then you've got your two colors there. So I'm gonna go this way this time, starting over here, and do that. And then I want to do the heart next. So the heart's gonna be yellow and, oops, green. Just smacked my head on my light. take off what we don't want, and then gonna do the heart over here. Cute. And then let me see what else. I don't know if something else will fit. I might have to do just one of these again. I think I'll try this one, and I'll just kind of stick it up there. So I'm gonna do half blue and then half purple, and then swipe and roll. Swipe and roll. Okay, and then, oh, I got some other pieces here. Okay, so blue and purple. So I'm gonna do it about here. Yeah, I did that too close, I think. I don't know. I think it's okay. You know what, that's gonna bug me. I'm gonna just move them up, just same images, but I'm just gonna move them up just a little so everything's even. So because I had to wipe off the images with acetone, the nail became matte. So I did put on foil gel. I've been using foil gel lately for my stamping, for a sticky, you know, to have a sticky base. So I've been liking using the foil gel because, yeah, see, it won't, it wasn't sticking. So yes, I had to put on, I think no, I didn't show it, but I'm just saying I did put on foil gel. So I have to go in and do it again. And we're going to do it exactly like I did it the first time. So yeah, you'll see the same colors and same images. So here I just wanted to try and see with the layering images if, you know, how all the colors would look together. Like I'm going to do the first three, you know, I just wanted to see if it would come out pretty clean or how it would look. So I'm using that sticky stamper station over there, and I just put some of the Maniology sticky base coat. And so I just, you know, put that on there, let it dry, and then I'm just going to stamp on. These are little sheets that you can use to practice your designs. And then when you peel back the paper, it's sticky under there, so you can wipe your stamper on it. But I just wanted to use this just to see how the images would look layered. And yeah, I didn't end up liking, you know, the way it looked like this. And I did also try black as the background. And then I didn't really care for the way it looked either. So you'll see what I end up doing. Yeah, it just kind of looked kind of muddy, and, you know, all the colors kind of blended together. So I did end up stamping, well, I'm trying it here with just like a full green. Yeah, so I just left these parts in where I'm just trying different things just so you can see what they looked like. But yeah, so I thought, okay, maybe I'll go in with green as the background and then do like the yellow or the red. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I was just trying different things just to see how the colors would look. But spoiler, I did end up using white. So, I mean, using that pearl background, oh, I mean, for the two nails, the pinky and the thumb, it was fine. But because it basically covered the whole nail, I mean, it didn't really matter if I used pearl or white. Because, like I said, I didn't even know what I was doing when I started. I just knew I wanted to use the pearl. Yeah, I mean, it looks cute. But yeah, just something, I don't know. So yeah, I just ended up going, like I said, with the white as the first part of the stamp, and then, you know, for the second part going in with the three colors. Sorry, my voice is a little cracky. It's in the morning here. I did have my coffee and everything, but I don't know. Sometimes my voice has just been getting real cracky lately. So, but I'm like, I need to get this. I want to get this out so that you can see the box and decide if you want to purchase it, because I do believe they do have the one-time purchase now that you can do. So if you like the box, and you can go ahead and make your purchase. So I thought the bottom was a little bit empty, so what I had left on my stamper, I just kind of did it on the edges of the nails just to put more orange in there, and I really liked the way it looked. It looked really cute. And so we're going to do the little heart image. Like I said, they're going to have the white background, and then we're going to go in with some of the colors. I'm still keeping the colors in order, but I believe, yeah, because I'm doing 3 nails, I'm doing 2 on each nail. So I'm trying to keep in the whole like Roy G. Biv, the order of the rainbow. So this is what they look like here, and I did top coat, but then I decided that I wanted to do something else to the nails, so you're going to see what I'm going to do here. I have these rainbow rhinestones that I got from AliExpress. They're the VDD brand. I love that brand. This whole box is the VDD brand. So I decided to put some rainbow rhinestones on the nail. I mean, I thought it looked okay. Maybe I should have just left them without the rhinestones, but I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I've been wanting to use these, so I thought, okay, this is, the theme's basically rainbow, so I'm going to be putting them inside of all these little flowers here, and then I'm just going to add some randomly to the other nails, and then I will show that in just a little bit here. Yeah, I think I had my glue too close to the light, and it kind of cured on top, so I just took a little needle and poked it through. So yeah, these rhinestones actually have a rainbow pattern on them. I know it's hard to see, but they actually have a rainbow pattern. Alright, so this is how they're looking. So I did just add a few more random rhinestones. I think they came out cute. I really love the pinky, and I love that swirl design. I mean, the star and stuff is cute too, but I don't know, something about that swirl, and then I really like how the pinky came out. So I'm going to leave everything linked down below. The link for the full box and for the express kit. I do have a code Sondra10. You can't use it on the box, but you can use it on the website for other merchandise. I have a link also. If there's a bigger discount, say 20%, use the code, but then also use my link, and then that'll help me out. Thank you so much. Bye.